Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, active grille shutters, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, power steering. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.